Here's an interesting scenario where you're given a square. You're given that the diagonal of a square is 9 root 2. The question is, what is the length of each side? Okay, so go ahead and push pause on this video and see if you can figure this out. Okay, step 1 would be to draw out your square, of course. And let's label the diagonal. Diagonal is the slant, right, from one angle to the opposite angle. We know that this is 9 root 2. Okay? What is the length of each side? So we don't know this. This is what we want to know. So all the length of the square will be the same, right? The square have all equal sides. So you know that this side will be the same as that side. And then, because this is a square, we can safely say that this is a right angle of 90 degrees. And because this is an isosceles triangle where you have two sides the same, that means this angle is the same as that angle there. So these three angles need to add up to be 180. So I'm hoping that you're able to see that we have a special right triangle here in which this angle is 45 and this angle is 45 too. Because 45 plus 90 is 180. Okay, so let's stay focused and remember our goal is to find out what the sides are. Okay, so step 2, you can either use the Pythagorean theorem in which a squared plus b squared equals c squared, or if you're able to recognize that this is a special right triangle, we can use our shortcuts. So let's note that in special 45, 90 degree triangle, the leg is equal to, remember the hypotenuse, over what? If you say square root of 2, you are correct. So we're trying to find what the leg is. So we can substitute the hypotenuse in. So 9 root 2, okay, divided by root 2 equals, so the root 2 cancels out, leaving us with just 9. So that's how long the sides are of this square, 9 units.